Academy. We are discussing about binomial theorem. In binomial theorem, binomial expansion is completed, properties of coefficient, binomial coefficients, and multinomial theorem, expansion of multinomial theorem, terms in the multinomial theorem we completed. Now we are discussing about middle term in the binomial theorem. Here first, before going to discussing expansion of binomial theorem, you write. So x plus a whole power n is equal to nc0 x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a plus so on plus ncr x power n minus r a power r plus so on plus ncn x power a power n. So this can be written as sigma n is equal to r to a. Here sigma r is equal to 0 to n ncr x power n minus r a power r. Okay, here n is even number, n is odd number, then number of terms are even, then what are the middle terms? Then middle terms are, what are the middle terms? That is n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 3 by 2th term. These two are middle terms. If n is even number, the number of terms are odd, then middle term is only one, that is n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, here n is odd number of terms even, middle terms are n plus 1 by 2th, n plus 3 by 2th term is the middle term. If n is even number of terms are odd, middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term is the middle term. And numerical here greatest coefficient, greatest binomial coefficient. What is the greatest binomial coefficient? In the expansion, if n is odd, then the greatest binomial coefficient is n plus nc n plus 1 by 2 nc n minus 1 by 2. But nc n plus 1 by 2 is equal to nc n minus 1 by 2. If n is odd, number of terms in the binomial expansion is even, then two greatest binomial coefficients are there. So nc n plus 1 by 2, nc n minus 1 by 2, but these coefficients are equal. So if n is odd, if n is even, only nc n by 2 is the greatest binomial coefficient. If n is even, only one greatest binomial coefficient, that is nc n by 2. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have the one of the problem, the middle term of 1 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube whole power 2n. So here 1 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube whole power 2n. So 1 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube is equal to 1 minus x whole cube. This is 1 minus x whole cube. Then 1 minus x cube whole cube, 1 minus x whole cube whole power 2n is equal to 1 minus x whole power 6n. Here 6n is the even number. This is the binomial. Then what is the middle term in the expansion? So middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term. So here in this middle term, that is 6n by 2 plus 1 equal to what? This is 2 3 3n plus 1th term. So here in this expansion, what is middle term? That is t 3n plus 1th term is equal to that is 6n c 3n into this is what? Minus x whole power 3n. Minus x whole power 3n is the middle term of the given expansion. Okay, all of you. Here we have the one more problem on the binomial theorem. The middle term in the expansion of x minus 1 by x whole power 2n. Here what is the binomial given? X minus 1 by x whole power 2n. Index is equal to 2n is even number. Then what is the middle term? Middle term is that is n by 2 plus 1th term. That is 2n by 2 plus 1th term. 2 cancel, n plus 1th term. That is t n plus 1 equal to 2n cn into this is x power 2n minus n into this is minus 1 by x power n. 2n minus n is equal to what? n. T n plus 1 is equal to this is minus 1 whole power n here, and also 2n cn x power n 1 by x power n. This one cancel, that is minus 1 whole power n into 2n cn is the middle term of the given expansion. Okay, all of you. That's all. The term independent of x in the expansion of a x power p plus b by x power q whole power n is. So here in this expansion, rth term t r plus 1 is equal to ncr a x power p 1 by b by x power q whole power r. Then what is the constant? tr plus 1 ncr into a power p into 1 by b power r into x power p by x power q r, x power b power r, x power p, this is x power p by x power q r. So here this x power p by x power q r is equal to x power 0. This is equal to x power 0. This is equal to x power p minus qr is equal to x power 0. Independent of x means here x power 0 is there. So p minus qr is equal to this is 0. P is equal to qr. Then r is equal to p by q. R is equal to p by q. We have the independent term. The term independent of x in the expansion of a x power p plus b by x power q whole power n is. Independent of x means x power 0. That is x is absent. So in this expansion t r plus 1 general term, that is ncr a x power p whole power n minus r b by x power q whole power r. So TR plus 1 equal to NCR into A power n minus R B power R is the constant. Remaining is independent of x. That means x power P of n minus R into 1 by x power QR equal to what? X power 0 is equal to 1 is equal to something power 0 is 1. So this can be written as x power np minus pr into x power minus qr is equal to x power 0 is equal to x power np minus pr minus qr is equal to x power 0. So bases are equal, equate power np minus of r of p plus q equal to 0, then np is equal to r of p plus q, r is equal to np by p plus q. R is equal to what? np by p plus q, that are independent of x in the expansion of a x power p plus b by x power q whole power n is r is equal to np by p plus q. The general term tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a power n minus r b power r, where r is equal to np by p plus q. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have rth term from the ending in the expansion x plus y whole power n is equal to from the beginning is t, and this is n minus r plus 2th term. Okay, rth term from ending in the expansion of x plus y whole power n is equal to from the beginning is n minus r plus 2th term. So this is, you remember, this is the very important. You remember this one. Here one more problem on binomial theorem. The coefficient of x power n in the expansion of 1 plus x into 1 minus x whole power n. So given expression 1 minus x into 1 plus x into 1 minus x whole power n, this can be written as 1 plus x into, this is nc0 1 power n, this is nc1 minus x whole power 1, nc2 minus x whole square plus so on, plus minus 1 whole power r, ncr minus x whole power r plus so on, plus ncn minus 1 into, this is minus x whole power n minus 1 plus the ncn minus x whole power n. Here we want x power n coefficient. You multiply 1 with this one, you will get the x power n coefficient. X power n coefficient is equal to what? That is ncn. This is minus x whole power n, or you type minus 1 whole power n plus one more x into this one. You will get the x power n coefficient, that is ncn minus 1 minus 1 whole power n minus 1. So here NCN is equal to what? 1. So this is minus 1 whole power n plus NCN minus 1 n minus 1 whole power n minus 1. This is the coefficient of x power n in given expansion. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have one more problem on the binomial theorem. The coefficient of x power 7 in the expansion of 1 minus x square plus x cube whole power 6. Here 1 minus x square plus x cube whole power 6 is given. 1 minus x square plus whole cube equal to, this can be written as 1 into 1 minus x square into 1 minus x equal to 1 minus x of 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x square plus x cube can be written as 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x square plus x cube whole power 6 is equal to 1 minus x whole power 6 into 1 minus x square whole power 6. These two are binomial. We have to find the x power 7 coefficients. So first expand this one, then expand this one. You have to multiply, in that you will get the x power 7 coefficient. So what is 1 minus x power 6 expansion? 6c0 minus 6c1 x plus 6c2 x square minus 6c3 x cube plus 6c4 x power 4 minus 6c5 x power 5 plus 6c6 x power 6. This is the expansion of 1 minus x whole power 6. So next expansion of, in this one, 1 minus x whole power 6 expansion, 6c0 minus 6c1 x plus 6c2 x square minus 6c3 x cube plus 6c4 x power 4 minus 6c5 x power 5 plus 6c6 x power 6. Next expansion of this one, 1 minus x square whole power 6 equal to 6c0 minus 6c1 x square plus 6c2 x power 4 minus 6c3 x power 6 plus 6c4 x power 8 minus 6c5 x power 10 plus 6c6 x power 12. Here we have to find the coefficient of x power 7. Coefficient of x power 7, if minus this x square into and x power 5, you can multiply this into this one, you will get the coefficient of x power 7. So this is minus 6c5 into minus 6c1, that is plus coefficient of x power 7 is equal to, you can multiply these two, that is 6c5 into 6c1. Okay, next you can multiply this 6x x power 4 into x cube. These two you can multiply. You will get the x power, this is minus 6c2 into 6c3. Then you will get. Next this one you can x power 6 multiply with x, you will get the x power 7, minus into minus plus, this is 6c1 into 6c3. Okay, this is the here what is 6c5 value? 6 into 6c1 value 6 minus what is 6c2? 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. This is 6 into 5 into 3 by 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 plus 6c one value 6 into this value 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6 and 2 3 the 6 6 36 minus 3 5 15 15 into 20 plus 6 into 20 6 into 20 120. Okay, 6 to the 12. So here this one 6 5 1 minus 15 to the 300 minus 144 is the coefficient of x power 7. Okay, all of you. That's